This is the BT4500 by Click2Cook. One of the good features about this is that it can use butane or propane. Butane can go straight into the canister here, and the propane can get hooked up here. One thing people didn't like about propane in the past is that you threw away the canisters when you were done. This is a refillable can that can be reused over and over again and is environmentally friendly. Before we came out here to camp, we actually filled this up with a 5-gallon propane tank, and we can use this as much as we want and we never have to throw it away. And if you didn't want to use propane, you could use butane on this stove. One advantage to butane is it does burn hotter, so you can have a bigger flame depending on what you're cooking. Another great feature for this stove is that it's very small and compact. We carry a couple of them just so you can be cooking 2 things at once.